Here are 9 GitHub repos for prediction markets. Prediction market analysis gives you a working pipeline for pulling prediction market data, storing it, and turning it into actual research figures on Polymarket and Kalshi. What makes it useful in practice is that it's not just a dataset dump. You can collect fresh data, run analysis scripts, then package the results in a way that's easier to reuse for studies or trading questions. That operator surface feels geared toward people who want repeatable market reads, not one-off screenshots. Pmxt gives you one trading interface for prediction markets like Polymarket and Kalshi, so you're not rewriting the same bot for every venue. The workflow here is pretty operator-friendly. Search broad events, pull market data in a consistent shape, then place orders through the same client in Python or TypeScript. That matters because the annoying part in this space is exchange-specific quirks, and Pmxt seems aimed right at smoothing those out without hiding the actual trading steps. MiroShark turns a document or a market question into a simulated crowd, generating hundreds of AI agents that react like different slices of the public. For prediction market use, the workflow seems to be feed it source material, let the swarm debate and branch, then map that against live Polymarket data and extra web context. What makes it feel operational is that it can run locally or through cloud APIs, with a no GPU path and a heavier Allama setup. Polymaker keeps two-sided quotes live on Polymarket, so instead of manually babysitting a market, you let the bot keep posting bids and asks around your target spread. The operator surface is the interesting part. Credentials live in a local NV file, but the trading parameters are driven from Google Sheets, which makes inventory limits and pricing tweaks feel more like running a desk than editing Python. The warning is blunt too. Right now it's framed as a reference bot, not a profitable one. Polymarket Copy Trading Bot mirrors, trades from strong Polymarket accounts and places matching positions fast enough that timing actually matters. The workflow seems pretty operator first. You pick traders to follow, set sizing rules, wire up wallet and API variables, then let it watch the chain for new moves, and fire near instant copies. That low latency monitoring is the whole pitch here because copy trading falls apart if detection is even a little late. Py-clob-client lets you trade against Polymarket's order book from Python instead of clicking around the site. The workflow is pretty operator-friendly. You can start read-only to pull markets, prices, and order books, then switch to a funded wallet and submit either dollar-size market buys or share-based limit orders. What makes it feel practical is that it handles both a normal wallet and a proxy setup, but you still need the private key that controls funds. Polymarket-Trading-Bot copies trades from selected Polymarket wallets, then lets you run the whole thing through a web dashboard instead of babysitting orders by hand. The workflow here seems pretty operator first. Wire up your keys, choose who to mirror, watch the live WebSocket feed, and flip into simulation mode before any real money moves. I like that it treats deployment and config as part of the product, because copy trading gets risky fast if position sizing and failsafes are vague. Kalshi-AI-Trading-Bot is for running an automated prediction market trader that only places a bet when a group of models agrees. The workflow is pretty operator-friendly. You start the bot, keep a live dashboard open in another terminal, and let it move from market ingest to debate to execution while position sizing and exits stay under risk rules. I like that the ensemble setup is opinionated here, because forcing consensus is a simple break against one model freelancing into a bad trade. Polydata turns Polymarket activity into usable data sets, pulling markets, filled orders, and trades into CSVs you can actually analyze. The workflow gets interesting because it separates the raw event stream from the clean trade layer, so you can either inspect order-filled data directly or jump to processed trades when you want something closer to research ready. It also looks pretty operator-friendly. Grab a snapshot fast, then rerun update and live processing scripts as the market moves. Subscribe to Build Things with AI for more GitHub AI tool roundups.